Programmable Logic Controller, or PLC programming, is a specialized method of creating automated control systems for industrial machinery and processes. PLC programming uses a digital computer-based control system that monitors inputs, makes decisions, and controls outputs in manufacturing and industrial environments. Before PLCs were developed, electromechanical relays were used in industries to automate specific tasks. Electromechanical relays operate based on relay logic, such as electromagnetic coil principles, normally open, or NO, and normally closed, or NC, contacts, and basic relay control circuits. Relay logic serves as the direct predecessor to ladder diagram, or LD programming, which is the most widely used PLC programming language. Basic wiring diagrams that compare relay-based control circuits with the PLC-based equivalents help demonstrate how traditional hardwired relay control evolved into programmable software-based solutions. PLC programming involves creating control logic using specialized software installed on a computer. It is performed through various PLC programming languages, such as LD, a function block diagram, or FBD, structured text, or ST, sequential function chart, or SFC, and an instruction list, or IL. These software platforms allow engineers to develop, simulate, and download control programs directly to the PLC hardware. The process of programming a PLC involves understanding the sequence of operations, designing the control logic, creating the program using programming software, downloading the program to the PLC via a programming device, and monitoring and execution of the control logic in the industrial setting. For example, when conveyor control is implemented, the operator first understands the multi-point start and stop sequence of operations. The PLC programmer then designs the control logic incorporating 3 start push buttons labeled as PB1, PB2, and PB3, along with stop override logic for 3 corresponding stop push buttons labeled as PB4, PB5, and PB6. Next, the programmer creates the designed logic using specialized programming software, which is subsequently downloaded to the PLC via a programming device. Finally, the control logic is monitored as the PLC executes its intended function by activating the conveyor when any start push button is pressed and deactivating the conveyor when any stop push button is pressed, ensuring reliable multi-point operational control. PLC programming bridges the gap between complex industrial requirements and precise, reliable automation, enabling efficient and intelligent control of manufacturing processes.